You can manage your states, your emotional states. You need to find the tools. And one thing that is really important is to allow all kinds of emotion to come to you. We cannot be happy all the time, every day, all day, every day. Sometimes we need to be sad because something bad has happened. And if we ignore that feeling, we're gonna hurt ourselves more than trying to escape that feeling. So let's allow sadness in our lives. It's something normal. We don't need to, the dangerous thing would be to stay sad most of the time. That's something we don't want. But from time to time, if we are sad, that means we need to process something. And as long as we haven't done that work, we need to continue to do the work to process our sadness.